you're not. Quit saying that shit out fucking loud.
Ignorant.
We're not
Because
teach the baby something they don't need to know.
do your monkey dance.
Yeah.
This is a custom on crack. You don't have no do.
Show him your big gap tooth.
My what?
Oh my god, I thought you was about to pass. You're so fucking nasty, dude.
My big gap. You too.
I'm about to sock you.
My
You told me to come and get some earlier. I
Eat
didn't get
corn.
Oh, that was your fault.
What the fuck you mean? Better get some of that.
All my followers eat corn.
Is that what you're doing?
No, what does it look like I'm doing? I'm hunting rabbits.
No, earlier you was hunting rabbits over there. That's what you were doing over there.
No, it's when somebody.
What you doing over there? Trying to catch a bird?
No, Rosa. When somebody asks me a question and obviously you can see what I'm doing. What am I doing? Rosa, what am I doing?
About to take a shit?
No, in your mouth.
You got me fucked up.
How'd you get that to zoom in so close? No, you gotta zoom it out a little bit so you can see how far he's away from it.
Alright, I'm about to go up there.
He's on top of my roof. I'm pretty sure they could see.
My other videos, look for Ride the Horsey, that stars Rosa. And my nephew as the, what are they called?
Cowboy?
Don't do that, because if you do that, I'm going to have to kill you.
Oh my gosh, she's in the video. Stop.
No, come on. Come down this way.
I'm about to go up there.
Come on.
I'm not full yet.
Okay, we'll go.
Alright, I'm about to go up there.
Don't play, don't do that.
Don't do that, little mama.
We don't eat bug pies over here.
That nigga's stupid as hell. Oh, Justin, I lost you for a minute, buddy.
Where did Raul go?
Hey, all y'all kids got to go in the front and play for a minute. Go to go through the gotta go where they get another go.
No to go, where to go,
Huh? I know.
Y'all go out front and play. Go ride a bike. Go play basketball. Wait, don't fuck on my crazy. Pick up your corn cob. Yeah. Leave my habitat. Garbage.
Oh my God, Justin, don't.
Leave my habitat.
You was just threw corn at me, dog. Don't. Justin, I will drop your phone in the mud. Don't do that. I think you will. Oh my God. Ew, you're so nasty. I think corn just got in my hair. I thought you were going. Go.
Wobble, baby,
You got something on this window.
wobble, baby.
Go through that window, though.
What window?
The next one.
I know you got stuff in front of it. You got tags.
No, the fan, all you gotta do is move it.
You got tags put on that one.
Go in front of the other one. The other one don't got no screen. That one got the screen on it.
Do tagging. I don't repeat. Only my body.
Are you having fun?
What?
Are you having fun?
Yeah, but I have a boner.
Oh, God. Would you like Shauna to come up there and join you?
Hell no.
Why not?
I'm a girl. Yes, we both have the same answer. Just different words.
No, go in the other one. Bro, first of all. Second of all, you're fucking a dork.
All my viewers, please have the fire department on call.
Why?
Have them on speed dial, because this motherfucker's about to hit the ground.
Who was that coming through?
That's my cousin Raru.
Raul? I thought it was Raul. I thought it was Raul. What drugs are you on? I want some.
It's called
Oh my God, here he comes. Ahí viene.
life.
Oh my God, well, here he comes.
Hell no, I'm not doing
You're
that.
so scary.
There is no way I'm getting around
Boy, come on, fatty.
Michael Myers is behind you.
that. Right to be on some
They make it look easy. There's a killer after your ass.
Oh my God, who is that hiding in the tub?
Nobody.
Yeah, there is. Little sneaky motherfuckers.
Rock at it.
Go ahead, do it. Give him a rock, Shauna, because there's somebody in that tub.
From way up here, I'll knock them bitches out.
In there?
Oh my God.
Here, Shauna, will you come and videotape them?
Hey Rosa, you're gonna piss me off. You know why?
Why?
When I put that video on YouTube, you find it.
Oh my God, is it?
Hold it straight up.
Oh my God, they found your cat.
Stop it. Stop
They
it.
found your caterpillar.